Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to download PowerPoint or any of the Office.com apps, or how alternatively, and even better, you can use them online. First of all, we're going to go to Office.com and then we're going to have the two options, to sign in or to get Microsoft 365. We're just going to go press on get Microsoft 365. So once we're here, we can choose to pay like this or like this, but if we do already have it, we go back and we're just gonna sign in. Once we've signed in, it's going to give you this page. It could look different for you because I'm using a school account at the moment, but it should look similar. If you want to install it, we can go in the top right corner, press on install and more, and install 365 apps. Or if you want to use the online version, we can just go to apps and we can see all of the available apps to us right here. So we have Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, and as of new, we have access to the Copilot AI. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.